Join me to discover the hidden gem Castletownbere in West Cork, Ireland. Castletownbere is a bustling port town located on the rugged Beara Peninsula in County Cork, Ireland. It is officially recognised as Ireland's largest whitefish port, and it sits on Berehaven Harbour, the second safest natural harbour in the world. The town serves as a vital commercial hub for the surrounding region and is a popular destination along the famous Wild Atlantic Way driving route. A car is highly recommended to explore the wider Beara Peninsula, but for my short visit I used public transport. The nearest airport is Cork Airport, and a special chartered bus runs twice a day to Castletownbere in both directions from Cork city centre. I will leave logistics information for using public transport in the description below. Now follow me to see some of the highlights of Castletownbere and where to pick up public transport to places like Dursey Island with its unique cable car. The red and white boat you see across is the Beare Island Ferry. There are several crossings per day in either direction, carrying both vehicles and foot passengers. The ferry journey takes about 15 minutes and it's on a first come, first served basis. Across the way with the red shop front is the supermarket SuperValue. It looks like a tiny shop from the outside, but it's like a TARDIS on the inside as it's huge. It will cater for most, if not all, your shopping needs. It is here where the bus to and from Cork city centre picks up and drops off. The blue building on the corner is Murphy's Restaurant. It has indoor as well as outdoor seating. I ate outdoors here twice after returning from day trips and would recommend it. Murphy's Restaurant is noticeable with its fabulous outdoor mural on the side of its building. Here we see the Catholic Church of the Sacred Heart.
He said that if Irishmen fought in the First World War for Britain.
Across with the red doors is Castletownbere fire station. It's in the front of here that we catch the number 263 bus for our day trips. If you're interested in those day trips and you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing.
I am. I will.
Are two huge windows.
Two massive windows. For you, it'll be a pleasure.
How much is it?
Them two.
Yeah.
The building you see directly across with the red car in front is the bakery restaurant. This is another restaurant I had an evening meal at and would recommend. I hope you enjoyed this wee tour of Castletownbere. Next up will be a day trip to Dursey Island with the only cable car of its kind in Europe.